Every packet starts here, trucks delivering wheat flour, oil, and spices to the factory dock. The flour is sifted clean, then mixed with water and salt into a firm dough. Kneading builds structure and strength. Then the dough rests before shaping. Roller by roller, the dough stretches into one long, paper-thin sheet. Rotary blades slice fine strands, curling them into their signature wavy shape. A steam tunnel pre-cooks the noodles, giving them their firm, springy bite. Cut into blocks, the noodles are flash-fried until golden and crisp.
Powerful fans cool the fried noodle cakes before they're ready to pack.
Meanwhile, a clean room blends the masala seasoning and seals it into sachets. Noodle cake and seasoning sachet come together, sealed in a single wrapper. Every packet passes a metal scan and a precision weight check before moving on.
Robotic arms pack the packets into cartons, stacked and wrapped on pallets.